some of my life's most important things have happened in Punjab. I also got married in Chandigarh.
Yeah.
हालांकि ना मेरा कुछ लेना देना है ना तो राज का कुछ लेना देना है. Your scene is not working anyway. It's going to be chopped off at the edit table. I was trying to fit into a mold. I was trying to do what I thought was correct. But you have to see yourself as an individual, and you have to figure out what is correct for you. हमारे जो पैपराजी है बहुत ही स्वीट लोग हैं. अगर आप अनकंफर्टेबल हो आप उनको बोल दो कि यार प्लीज आज मत लो, they really listen to you. So I'm just so happy just being there for them. जब मैं 10-11 साल की थी मुझे बोर्डिंग भेज दिया गया था. तो in a boarding what happens is you become that independent person because you have to look after yourself, and I feel like that also helped me survive the city.
सिटी लाइट्स के बाद से अब तक यू एज वेल एज राज बोथ ऑफ यू हैव ग्रोन इंडिपेंडेंटली इन अ ह्यूमंगस वे.
Yeah.
उसने अपना खुद का मेहनत से
Yeah.
पहचान बनाया है.
Yeah.
यू हैव आल्सो डन दैट योरसेल्फ,
Yeah.
राइट? आप दोनों एक दूसरे को उस टाइम से जानते हो, राइट? प्रोफेशनली जो मैच्योरिटी उसने हासिल किया है ओवर द इयर्स, व्हाट इज दैट वन थिंग दैट यू फील द मोस्ट प्राउड अबाउट बिकॉज आप इस इंसान को सबसे ज्यादा अच्छे से पर्सनली भी जानते हो?
I feel so proud of the person that he is because he hasn't lost his being of who he was when he started, you know. He's still that human being and he doesn't take things for granted. Hi, I'm Patrulekha and you're watching me on Shubhajit's YouTube channel. I had a really good time chatting about my life, my experiences, my wants. Thank you, Shubhajit.
क्या बात है, pleasure is all mine. Like, share and subscribe. भाई वाइल्ड वर्ड जो है वो सुन के मैं बहुत चार्ज्ड अप हो जाता हूँ बिकॉज आई पर्सनली फील दैट आई हैव गॉट दैट एनर्जी एंड वाइल्ड साइड टू माई सेल्फ. एंड वाइल्ड अगर वो 2 बार बोले उसके बाद अगर पंजाब आए देन यू 100% नो दैट एंटरटेनमेंट जो है दैट्स ऑल सेट टू टेक ओवर लाइक नेवर बिफोर. एंड दैट्स एग्जैक्टली व्हाट वी सॉ इन वाइल्ड पंजाब. मैंने रात के 2:30 बजे मूवी देखना चालू किया था बिकॉज ऑफ कोर्स दैट्स अ वेरी वाइल्ड टाइम एंड आई फिनिश द मूवी एज वेल. एक ही बेंच तरीके से आई थॉट कि आधा आधा करूंगा लेकिन नहीं, एक साथ ही देखना पड़ा बिकॉज द एक्टर्स वर ब्रिलियंट एंड वन ऑफ द एक्टर्स हु वाज एब्सोल्युटली प्रोलिफिक इज पत्रलेखा विथ मी ओवर हियर. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर जॉइनिंग मी, इट्स अ प्लेजर. एंड राधा का जो वाइब था वो अलग था. यहाँ पे आपका वाइब है वो भी थोड़ा बहुत सिमिलर भी दिख रहा है, अलग भी दिख रहा है. हाउ सिमिलर इज राधा टू पत्रलेखा इन रियल लाइफ?
आई थिंक राधा और मैं बिल्कुल सिमिलर नहीं है. यू नो, आई एम एन इंट्रोवर्ट. I don't like
Open
I'll
up
never
नहीं
marry,
होती
yeah, and I'll never marry a stranger. I don't even in fact talk to strangers. पर राधा and also I'm a city girl.
Yeah.
राधा पिंड से है और मतलब शादी कर रही थी दहेज, ये सब मेरे
Doesn't align with your thoughts, of
at
course.
all, at all. और मतलब 4 अनजान लड़कों के साथ बस निकल जाना, नहीं पता कौन है क्या है. But that is Radha, and that is Radha's innocence, and that's how Radha views the world, that everybody is good, you know.
यू नो फिल्म में आई थिंक वरुण का एक डायलॉग था. उसने बोला कि वरुण का डायलॉग था कि मुझे याद नहीं आ रहा किसका, बट 2-4 में से किसी का था कि ये राधा के फादर जो है वो इनको 4 अननोन लॉन्डो के साथ भेज सकते हैं लेकिन ये कुछ यकीन नहीं कर सकते, ऐसा कुछ तो था. यू नो of course it was a lot, it was kind of a big deal for him as well as a character to take that. Real life में that wackiest thing that you have done, because आपने कहा कि you do not really mingle with strangers, आपको open up करने में time लगता है, but I'm sure you have that fun side to yourself as well. So what is the wackiest thing that you have done personally in your life?
Okay, so wackiest thing relating to a stranger only, I'll say, because
100%.
तो मैं गई थी किसी की शादी में ताज आगरा.
हाँ.
ताज आगरा नहीं, ओबरॉय आगरा.
ओबरॉय आगरा, हाँ.
और ओबरॉय आगरा से ताजमहल कुछ 10 मिनट का 10-15 मिनट का ही वॉक है. और मुझे फ्लाइट पकड़ना था दिल्ली से, पर मुझे जाना तो था ताजमहल. हालांकि मैं कुछ 5 बार जा चुकी हूँ, पर ताजमहल इट्स स्टनिंग यार,
Absolutely.
मतलब आप जितना भी देखो आपका मन नहीं भरेगा।
Correct.
तो मैं गई और फिर मैं वहाँ पे खो गई, लाइक जस्ट द ब्यूटी, आई वाज इमर्सिंग द ब्यूटी, और मैं हो गई लेट।
Yeah.
मैं भाग भाग के वापस आ रही थी, मुझे लगा कि मतलब ये जो 10-15 मिनट का रास्ता है, मैं ये अगर मैं कुछ लाइक आई हैव टू विंग इट, कुछ करना पड़ेगा। और वहाँ पे स्कूटीज चलना अलाउड है।
Okay.
तो मैंने एक आदमी को बोला कि प्लीज प्लीज भैया मुझे वहाँ तक छोड़ दो, एंड दैट वाज क्वाइट वियर्ड फॉर
Yeah,
हिम आल्सो, बट
yeah.
स्वीट ऑफ हिम दैट ही गेव मी अ लिफ्ट टिल देयर।
How sweet.
But that is also quite crazy for me.
Yeah, because for an introvert, जिनको
Yeah.
बहुत मतलब that they need that extra push to open up, उसके लिए खुद से बोलना कि भाई स्कूटी में लिफ्ट दे दो वगैरह एक्सेट्रा इज क्वाइट अ थिंग, यू नो। मुझे बताइए कि इन टर्म्स ऑफ योर करियर, देखो हर एक के टाइम पे एक आता है वो इसको जो गोल्डन पीरियड कहते हैं, राइट? प्रोफेशनली डू यू फील दैट यू हैव स्टार्टेड हिटिंग दैट गोल्डन पीरियड? मतलब शुरुआत हो गया हो ऐसे, डू यू फील?
Hopefully, I mean, I'd like to believe it, क्योंकि अभी आगे जाके बहुत काम निकलने
Of course.
वाला है। एंड गोल्डन पीरियड तो पता नहीं, मैं चाहती हूँ कि ये पीरियड चले मेरा, बिकॉज आई लव वर्किंग, आई लव जस्ट गोइंग टू अ सेट, एंड पेपर में जब आप कुछ पढ़ते हो एंड देन इट कमिंग अलाइव इज अनदर हाई, and just meeting so many people, learning so much from every director brings in something else
Correct.
to the to your being, you know, and your co-actors, you learn so much from your co-actors as well. जैसे कि मैंने कॉमेडी कभी नहीं करी थी, this is my first, and I had so much fun, you know, like comedy is also a very hard genre to do, because देखिए आप जब सैड होते हो वो सब आपके दिमाग में रह जाता है, दोस्त, बट फन टाइम्स, कॉमिक टाइमिंग, ये सब आप याद नहीं रखते हो, राइट? एटलीस्ट मेरे लिए तो ऐसा है। तो मुझे वो काफ़ी टफ लगा। और जब मैं होटल वापस आती थी, इफ़ इट्स लाइक अ हार्ड हिटिंग ड्रामा, जो कि मैंने ज़्यादातर किया है, यू कम बैक फीलिंग एग्जॉस्टेड, यू कम बैक फीलिंग लाइक if it's a sad scene, then you'll bring that with you, right? And वो आपका 2-3 महीना काफ़ी उस जोन में जाएगा। पर इसमें हाँ ही था यार, क्योंकि आप होटल भी वापस आते हो with that fun attitude,
chirpy vibe.
yes.
What I saw in the movie and what I realized is there are certain things Punjab is very well known for, right? एक तो होता है larger than life approach of people in terms of the way they live, right? फिर दारू अल्कोहल का जो एक ये रहता है वो भी रहता है, शादी वगैरह में बंदूक एक एक्सेट्रा चलाना, that culture also, and at the same time the friendship जो कि होता है, लाइक सड्डे नाल तुम्हारे लिए कुछ भी कर लेंगे, ये कर रहे हैं, दैट फ्रेंडशिप एसेंस इज आल्सो वेरी, होता है ना कि दिलदार होते हैं पंजाबी लोग, हम लोग बोलते हैं, ऑल ऑफ देम हैव बीन शोन वंडरफुली इन द मूवी इन वेरी ह्यूमरस वेज। जैसे अगर वो द ड्रग्स वाला भी अगर मैं बोलूँ तो एक बहुत ह्यूमरस तरीके से इशिता के कैरेक्टर को दिखाया गया, द एंटायर पोर्ट्रेयल वाज डन वेरी सीरियस इंटेंस थिंग्स but done in a very comic way, right? What was your new understanding or learning about Punjab when you shot this project? Because एक होता है perception when you are an Indian and you have heard a lot, but then when you have almost lived a character of that sort, you realize a lot more about the state, the culture, right? What are the new things that you discovered?
पंजाब से मेरा एक बहुत गहरा रिश्ता है, I feel. Some of my life's most important things have happened in Punjab. I also got married in Chandigarh. हालांकि ना मेरा कुछ लेना देना है, ना तो राज का कुछ लेना देना है. Perhaps it's destiny, But Punjab is culturally very rich. They have, their history is very rich, and I feel like it's passed down generations, Like if you know, Maharana Ranjit Singh was one of the biggest Maharajas that India ever saw. Kohinoor was with him in his Rajya, which was later taken away by the British people. So I feel they are also very daring, and they kind of stopped a lot of invasion that was happening from Afghanistan, Turkey. They were that border that people couldn't cross. So I feel that's been passed down. I feel like people in Punjab are very fearless. They're very dildar, you know. जैसे हम कुछ शूट ज़्यादातर तो हमने पिंड में ही शूट करा था, तो वहाँ के जो लोग हैं इतने वेलकमिंग थे, हमें बैठाते थे, चाय देते थे, यू नो, रोटियां बना के खिलाते थे. That's really sweet. And I feel like that's the essence of Punjab.
You know, when I see your social media, what I get a vibe is that कि आप दूसरों के लिए बहुत सपोर्टिव हो. अगर इंडस्ट्री में किसी का दूसरे का अगर मूवी अच्छा चल गया या फिर सीरीज चल गया अच्छा, आप इंस्टा पे स्टोरीज वगैरह डाल के यू काइंड ऑफ एक्ट एज दैट वेरी स्पेशल चीयर लीडर जो दूसरों के खुशी पे भी खुशी महसूस करता है, राइट? As far as the industry is concerned, do you feel that you get the same kind of love and support जो शायद आप दूसरों को भी देते हो at times?
Yeah, of course. I feel like मेरे कुछ ही दोस्त हैं इंडस्ट्री से, एंड जब उनकी फिल्में या सीरीज आती है, आई एम सो हैप्पी बिकॉज आई ऑल्सो somehow take that journey.
Right.
For example, they are shooting that film and we are obviously constantly in touch.
Correct.
And if it does well or if it doesn't do well also, I know the kind of hard work that one puts into it. So obviously it's amazing to just see your friends succeed.
What's the, I mean, I would say कि the most heart-touching review or feedback that you have got for Wild Wild Punjab?
Yeah, काफ़ी सारा अच्छा रिव्यू आ रहा है, but I'm not actually reading the reviews so much, but I know, I mean, you know, my people have been sending me those snippets of what the reviewers are writing. Most of them are good, but I'm not going in. Also, I don't have the time right now. There's so much happening. But I feel like when the dust settles, I'm surely going to go back. But I know, like, I'm getting so many calls from so many people, and they're loving the movie, you know. And when a movie works, and for me, I like having people around me that tell me the truth, you know, and I don't like to be delusional.
Right.
So I know they're liking the movie, and when the movie is liked, I feel like everyone in the movie is being liked, and everyone in the movie is working for the movie to work.
But ऐसा कभी हुआ है where जैसा अभी organically you're getting so much of love and appreciation and that feels very good to your heart as well, of course. But कभी ऐसा हुआ है जहाँ पे when perhaps things the way you wanted, it did not turn up to be like that, but then people were kind of faking कि यार बहुत अच्छा काम किया ये वो वगैरह. Have you ever dealt with anything?
I don't have people around me. Also, I know my truth, ना. I know.
So even if they are like ये आपको फर्क नहीं पड़ता आपको?
फर्क नहीं पड़ता, because I know it कि मैंने अच्छा काम नहीं किया, ये मूवी बहुत खराब है.
How have you kind of reconstructed yourself after that? अगर कुछ ऐसा हुआ है जहाँ पे आपने शायद मेहनत किया था, but the results were not exactly the way you perhaps wanted. How did you?
ये तो होता ही रहता है यार. आप मतलब मेहनत तो is consistent. That's the only thing that an actor has.
Constant.
It's the only thing. I mean, आप अगर सेट में जाके मेहनत नहीं करोगे, सेट में क्या, सीन में या whatever, if you don't do your homework, I think it's seen on screen. And that is one. And ना तो आप neither an actor has anything to do with the pre-production या post-production, right? तो अगर your scene is not working anyway, it's going to be chopped off at the edit table.
As far as reviews are concerned, you know, do you take criticism very seriously, or you know for a fact कि यार ये मैंने अच्छा काम किया, ये ऐसे ही बजाने के लिए बोल रहे हैं, फिर ये ऐसे ही खुश करने के लिए बोल रहे हैं? What is that self-validation for you? The reviews or your own
My
understanding?
own judgment of things is more important, and also I just feel like I've got a lot of love from the reviewers also, from City Lights, you know. It feels good, definitely, you know, when your film's being accepted by the reviewers, and also these reviewers have some impact on the audiences. But I just feel like for Wild Wild Punjab, whatever is happening is correct, is the right thing. I feel it. We as a team collectively, we know it's correct.
You know, as far as hard work is concerned, जो कि
Yeah.
आपने कहा वो तो consistent है, constant है. But sometimes क्या होता है कि even if we are hard, you know, working hard, sometimes mentally we are not in a good space, जिसके वजह से हम लोग कभी-कभी undecisive हो जाते हैं. We don't really know कि क्या सही है, क्या नहीं. ऐसा कभी phase रहा है आपके साथ professionally where you're working hard but you don't know what to say yes to, what to say no to? A lot of confusion is there.
No, I'm quite clear about the things that I want to do, and I'm quite clear about what I don't want to do, and I've learned it the hard way.
What is
Init-
that hard way?
Hard way is like I was trying to fit into a mold. I was trying to do what I thought was correct, but you have to see yourself as an individual, and you have to figure out what is correct for you.
As far as understanding is concerned, or cinema is concerned, I'm pretty sure with experience वो भी enhance हुआ होगा. Your understanding of your own craft has also increased and
Yeah.
enhanced for the better, of
Yeah.
course. कोई ऐसा
Also,
feat-
I feel like the more you work, no, your craft also keeps getting better.
Of course, because you're constantly on the
Yeah,
job, and on the job
Yeah.
learning जो होता है, with
वो
it cannot
कहीं
be
नहीं हो
replaced with anything else,
कहीं
right?
पे भी नहीं. And also with age also your craft gets better because you experience life more.
100%. But as far as any जो कि आपने कहा कि better होता जाता है, any significant betterment that you have realized in your craft से 10 साल पहले जो पत्रलेखा actress थी and now any significant
जी,
positive
जी,
change that
बिल्कुल.
you've realized?
मुझे 10 साल पहले जो मैं थी मुझे बहुत घबराहट होती थी. You know, before if there's
घबराहट
any-
about the result of the
No. जब मैं सीन करने के लिए जाती
Okay.
थी, you know,
Nervousness.
nervousness. And that would, I feel, impact my performance a lot. But with that, I figured, like, after working consistently, that the first rule is you have to be calm. You have to be really calm and you have to enjoy the moment. It can't get overshadowed by your nervousness.
As far as learning is concerned, जो कि आपने कहा कि आपने वो सीखा, etc. And of course, you have become a better version of yourself, which we all become eventually over a period of time. But कोई ऐसा incident आपके ज़िंदगी में which was kind of, I would say, earth-shattering in a huge way, and you learnt a lesson about your professional life, बोलिए, which kind of brought you in a zone कि यार ये गलती मुझे दोबारा नहीं करना कभी ज़िंदगी में, ऐसा कोई mistake?
हाँ, जैसे कि मैंने बोला कि I was trying to fit into a mold, and every actor has their positives and negatives. I feel like the moment an actor knows what's positive for him or her and what works for him or her, that's when, you know, your uphill journey starts.
Are you very competitive as a person? मतलब आप जब देखते हो दूसरों का अच्छा काम, of course वो खुशी तो होता है.
Of course.
But sometimes do you feel कि यार ये जो काम है ये मैं भी इक्वली अच्छे से कर सकती थी या फिर और ज़्यादा
मुझे ऐसा
बेहतर कर
नहीं
सकती
लगता
थी?
है क्योंकि you can't compare apples and oranges, but I'm always very inspired. जब भी मैं कुछ अच्छा काम किसी का भी देखती हूँ मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है, और मुझे इंस्पिरेशन मिलती है और मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मैं अपने क्राफ्ट में और मैं अपने कैरेक्टर्स में और कैसे मैं भी बेटर कर सकती हूँ. तो आई थिंक
You bring those elements to your performance.
no, I don't know. Again, it's apples and oranges,
Yeah.
but I think it just like kind of pushes me to work harder.
How do you deal with stress? Because at the same time, you know, when you're working constantly, your professional life is always in front of people.
Yeah.
Your personal life is also always in front of
Yeah.
people. The paparazzi culture, bolo, etc.
Yeah.
They always want to know because the audience wants to know
Yeah.
what's exactly
Yeah.
happening in your life, what's exactly happening in Raj's life. This constant attention, does it sometimes, kind of stress you up?
नहीं, actually, you know, on the contrary, हमारे जो paparazzi है बहुत ही sweet लोग हैं. अगर आप uncomfortable हो, आप उनको बोल दो कि यार please आज मत लो, they really listen to you. So I'm just so happy just being there for them. If they want our photos like mine and Rajesh, I'm happy to give it to them because they are also so supportive of us, यार.
बट ये जो आपने चीज़ कहा इसके दो पहलू है. I'll tell you why. Because there are also instances where I have seen videos जहाँ पे perhaps an actor or actress they are saying कि अभी मत खींचो, वो मत खींचो, but then they have not just shot the video, they have also uploaded it. Do you feel कि आप अगर मना करते हो compared to say so and so, वो आपका वो बात इसलिए मानते because over the years you have also developed some kind of personal equation with them?
Absolutely.
Because I can take Sarah's example. I think she got down from her car one day and I think she was distributing something to the poor children and she did not want to get papped. But eventually paparazzi ने वो video डाल दिया and that video went viral all over. But आपने कहा कि अगर आप बोलते हो कि आज मत खींचो, they listen and they don't do
Yeah,
that. So is it a byproduct of the respect that you have earned from their end?
No, I'm sure even Sarah has equal amount of respect in the. It's not about Sarah, but I'm just saying.
Yeah, of course.
I don't know ऐसा क्यों हुआ, but I think it must be one of that situation. Also, you have to know the. I mean, a Janvi, a Sarah, their videos go viral, you know, and maybe that was a moment where the Paps thought, no, we need it because it will have
हमारे
that
लिए
kind of.
content है वो.
Correct, correct. तो यार हर कहानी के दो पहलू तो होते ही है.
I think very nicely put, Amma, because you showed this empathetic side towards them, which is also a part of the story.
But
a
they
genuine
are
part.
they are very
Yeah.
nice.
Yeah.
I am so fond of most of them.
Yeah. You know, so many years of experience,
Yeah.
work, and you're still growing, etc. Perhaps that one family advice or suggestion that sometimes people give you, and you feel very happy कि यार शायद मैंने वो चीज़ सुना था, या फिर शायद वो चीज़ मैंने नहीं सुना था, because of which eventually I ended up being who I am today. Because दोनों चीज़ें भी होते. Sometimes parents don't realize what
No,
they're
my
saying.
parents have been very supportive. And you know, I am here today only because of my mom and dad. Because पहले के सिटी लाइट्स के बाद, सिटी लाइट्स से पहले भी आई थिंक मुझे ज़्यादा काम मिल रहा था, you know,
Correct.
even in ads. So there was a consistent income. मैं बॉम्बे में सर्वाइव भी कर पाई क्योंकि मेरे पेरेंट्स हेल्प मी फाइनेंशियली. वी हैड अ हाउस हियर. मेरा ऐसा कोई सॉब स्टोरी नहीं है कि मैंने 10 जने के साथ जाके एक रूम कमरा शेयर किया. नहीं. आई जस्ट वांट टू से दैट parents have to be supportive, and that's why I want to tell this. You know, I'm
Yeah.
talking about it because I didn't have 3 basic problems: roti, kapda, makan. My
So
parents supported me, and that's why, like a girl जो शिलोंग से आई, ना तो कोई दोस्त, like relatives, दोस्त कोई नहीं था मुंबई में, you know, but my parents were there. They were supporting me. एंड आई फील लाइक मैं इस, और हाँ, सिटी लाइट्स के बाद मुझे काम नहीं मिला. तो आई मीन टू सपोर्ट योर 24-25-year-old डॉटर बैक देन इज ऑल्सो अ थिंग ना. मेरे मम्मी पापा तो बोल ही सकते थे यार तुम ये वापस आ जा, कुछ और कर ले, क्या कर रही है. बट आई फील लाइक योर पेरेंट्स हैव टू हैव फेथ इन यू, एंड that's how you will survive this place.
Do you remember any interesting, maybe emotional conversation at that point of time when you said कि City Lights was so wonderfully received, but you were not getting work at that point of time, but your parents supported you at that point, which is very sweet. उस टाइम पे कुछ इमोशनल कहानी या फिर कोई किस्सा या फिर मे बी सम मोटिवेशनल वर्ड्स फ्रॉम योर पेरेंट्स याद है आपको, which is kind of stayed with you?
Papa always used to say like, keep working hard, and when you get tired, just understand that your hard work actually starts from there.
Wow.
So I always remembered that, and I feel like, see, today I can fail or I can be the biggest success, right? But if I am failing, at least I know that I had given it my 100%, and then I
there's no
feel,
regret.
yeah, there's no regret. I can't live with regret.
उस टाइम पे 25 years when you were there, it's a, and I can relate with that emotion because मैं खुद जब मुंबई आया था, I was 22, so there were certain things which were working for me, there were certain things which were not working for me.
Correct.
घर से जब दूर रहते हो, फैमिली दूर रहता है, बहुत सारे इमोशनल अप्स एंड डाउन्स होते हैं, राइट? बट व्हाट आई रियलाइज इसके खुद को स्ट्रांग होना बहुत ज़रूरी होता है. हाउ आर यू स्ट्रांग योरसेल्फ? बिकॉज एक होता है कॉन्फिडेंस फ्रॉम पेरेंट्स, मोटिवेशन फ्रॉम पेरेंट्स, दूसरा होता है सेल्फ स्ट्रेंथ. वो कहाँ से आता था?
आई वाज फियर्सली इंडिपेंडेंट बचपन से, क्योंकि मम्मी पापा, यार मेरे मम्मी पापा काफ़ी कूल है, काफ़ी अमेजिंग है. जब मैं 10-11 साल की थी, मुझे बोर्डिंग भेज दिया गया था. तो in a boarding, what happens is you become that independent person because you have to look after yourself, and I feel like that also helped me survive the city.
Very well put up.
And also I'm very content with myself, in the sense that if initially I didn't have friends, obviously Mumbai can be that city, right, that it takes time for you to even know your neighbor. But I was happy. I used to wake up in the morning, take the train from Andheri, go to Kulaba because I was studying in HR. और मुझे उस ट्रेन की जर्नी में भी 3 साल में गई, मुझे इतने स्टोरीज पता चली, इतनी कहानियाँ थी उस बगीज में, इतने लाइक women in Mumbai traveling through the trains are real hustlers.
Yeah.
You know, there were stories like how they wake up at 3 a.m. in the morning, they first take a bath, they cook, and by 5 a.m. they're out of the house to take that particular local. कितने सारे झगड़े भी मैंने देखे, एक दूसरे के बाल नोच रहे थे, but it's really really nice, you know, and
That's the beauty of the hustle.
that's yeah. And मुझे लगा था कि दिल्ली और बेंगलोर में ज़्यादातर क्या होता है, अगर आप कॉलेज जा रहे हो तो आप उस वक्त यू आर नॉट टेकिंग अप अ जॉब, यू आर जस्ट फोकसिंग ऑन कॉलेज लाइफ. बट बॉम्बे में ऐसा नहीं था. एवरीबडी वाज डूइंग लाइक दैट 7 to 11 कॉलेज एंड उसके बाद काम. सो दैट हसल, that thing of I have to do it, I will do it, was so fierce.
I think that's why it's said that it's you know, I think it's very cosmopolitan that way, because वो जो American और European culture है where you simultaneously work alongside, I think that has always been there in Mumbai,
and
right?
it's कर्म भूमि यार.
Absolutely. you know?
और मुंबई में मैंने देखा है, आप इतना भी करो ना,
देता बहुत कुछ है
देता
मुंबई।
बहुत है आपको, बहुत ज़्यादा देता है. वो कोई भी हो, अगर आप एक्टिंग लाइन में हो या ना हो.
I think exactly इस शहर के हवा में ही कुछ
कुछ
I think है which attracts positivity, right? You know, one thing that has to be specified and I want to say that is that कि city lights के बाद से अब तक you as well as Raj, both of you have grown independently in a humongous way.
Yeah.
उसने अपना खुद का मेहनत से पहचान बनाया है. You have also done that yourself, right? आप दोनों एक दूसरे को उस टाइम से जानते हो, right? प्रोफेशनली जो मैच्योरिटी उसने हासिल किया है ओवर द इयर्स, व्हाट इज दैट वन थिंग दैट यू फील द मोस्ट प्राउड अबाउट, बिकॉज आप इस इंसान को सबसे ज़्यादा अच्छे से पर्सनली भी जानते हो?
I feel so proud of the person that he is because he hasn't lost his being of who he was when he started, you know. He's still that human being and he doesn't take things for granted. Like he will never take any of his work day for granted. वो बंदा आज भी अगर उसका कॉल टाइम 7 बजे का है, वो 15 मिनट पहले जाके बैठ जाएगा, जिसके लिए उसको सुबह 4 बजे उठना पड़ता है. क्योंकि 4 बजे उठेगा, फिर आधा घंटा फ्रेशन होगा, फिर पूजा करेगा, फिर निकलेगा टिल डेट, और फिर पूरा दिन शूट करके आके वो वर्कआउट करेगा और फिर 10 बजे सो जाएगा. But that's really the kind of dedication, focus and love that he has for his craft is just, because after 12-15 years you can get a little complacent, right? And you have achieved some body of work.
Exactly.
But yeah.
वो पूजा वाला मुझे बहुत प्यारा लगा सुनने में. आप दोनों ही बहुत स्पिरिचुअल हो इन रियल लाइफ, या फिर वो ज्यादा है, आप थोड़े कम हो, या आप ज्यादा हो वो कम, क्या है?
I think spirituality is again different for different people.
Correct.
I am very spiritual.
Yeah.
He's also very spiritual, but his journey is a bit different. My journey is a bit different, but I feel like वो एक जगह जाके मिल जाती है.
As long as it aligns, that's
Yeah,
all that we want,
correct,
right?
correct.
Absolutely brilliant. So many things have happened with you professionally over the years, and अगर मैं पूछूं your biggest learning curve, I know it might be difficult to point one, but that one thing जो शायद आप genuinely बहुत proud हो कि यार अच्छा हुआ मैंने ये चीज़ time to time सीख लिया, and I've applied that on myself and perhaps my own sense of decision making, which has helped me.
I think patience, perseverance, and persistence are the 3 key words to sustain here.
You know, you said that when you came at a very young age, thankfully by God's grace, you had the support of your parents at that point of time.
Yeah.
तो उस टाइम पे सिचुएशन वर्कआउट हो नहीं हो, एटलीस्ट यू हैड सम काइंड ऑफ पिलर ऑफ सपोर्ट, राइट? जो अभी के टाइम पे द अदर यंग गर्ल्स हु आर कमिंग, हु आर आल्सो ड्रीमिंग ऑफ वन डे बिकमिंग से अ पत्रलेखा, और वन डे बिकमिंग अ जानवी, और हुएवर दे वांट, अभी भी बहुत लोग एवरीडे मुंबई शहर में आते हैं, लाइक विद अ बैग फुल ऑफ ड्रीम्स. व्हाट वुड बी योर मैसेज टू दोज गर्ल्स? बिकॉज I'm sure by the time when you had come and the time when they are coming, a lot of things about the industry has also changed, right? So उनको अगर कुछ मैसेज देना होगा, आप क्या बोलोगे कि बॉस, this is something that you need to be very clear of and these are the things you need to be aware of?
You should be very clear about couple of things. You should be very clear about couple of things. What is the driving force behind the kind of work you want to do.
Hmm.
You know, it could be just glamour and just being famous, which is 100% right. But then just follow that path. It could be you just want to do good roles, which perhaps is devoid of glamour.
Yeah.
But then just follow that path. Don't mix the two things up. Be clear about what you want to achieve in the next 10 years, where you want to stand.
इन टुडेज टाइम कास्टिंग जो है कास्टिंग को लेके बहुत लोग बोलते हैं कि यार हम लोग मेहनत करते परहैप्स वी हैव गिवन अ गुड ऑडिशन बट मेरे इंस्टा फॉलोअर्स उतने ज़्यादा नहीं थे बिकॉज ऑफ विच मैं शॉर्टलिस्ट होते होते या तो रह गया या फिर रह गई एंड दिस इज समथिंग दैट जेन्युइनली हैपन्स राइट कभी आपके साथ ऐसा हुआ है वेयर पीपल हैव काइंड ऑफ शॉर्टलिस्टेड यू बिकॉज ऑफ योर ब्रिलियंट एक्ट बट उनका क्राइटेरिया कुछ और ही था बिकॉज ऑफ विच परहैप्स थिंग्स डिडंट वर्क
I
आउट
think it is. See, casting in a movie is not equivalent to the social media followers you have. Yes, getting brands is equal to the social media followers you have, right? Do the math, it works.
ऑफ कोर्स
तो ऐसा तो मेरे साथ कभी नहीं हुआ कि किसी डायरेक्टर या प्रोड्यूसर ने आके मुझे बोला कि यार हम तुम्हें लेना चाहते हैं पर तुम्हारे तो बस इतने फॉलोअर्स हैं. आज तक ऐसे नहीं हुआ. पर मेरी मैनेजर हमेशा कहती रहती है और पोस्ट करो ताकि हम और अट्रैक्ट कर सके ब्रांड्स को, ताकि योर फॉलोअर्स इंक्रीज, बट नॉट फॉर एनी फिल्म और
which is good, which is great, I believe, because
Yeah.
जिस चीज़ के लिए क्राइटेरिया
Yeah.
होना चाहिए
Yeah.
वही होना चाहिए. If I ask you two things about your life which you're very proud about and you take that pride with you as a sort of souvenir.
2 things.
आप चाहो से ज़्यादा भी बोल सकते हो. I'm sure you must have had.
No, I mean it's tough to just put your life in 2 options, but I'm very proud of the family that I'm born into. Because of their support, I'm able to live my dream. And second, I'm so proud of the different directors and producers that I'm working with, and they having faith in me, and they can think that I'm a girl from Northeast, but Love Sir could see that perhaps I can pull out like a girl from Punjab. I had this great opportunity, which I'm so grateful for, that I played Savitri Bai Phule. She's such a reformist, and it's her biopic.
Right.
And it was just the most amazing journey, and I'm just getting like such varied roles. I think I'm really grateful for that.
You just mentioned that girl from Northeast, but Love Sir had that conviction कि यार ये मेरी पंजाबी कुड़ी जो है ये play कर सकती है, and I'm sure
पर
you
लव सर ही नहीं, हंसल सर भी.
Hansal sir as well.
वो तो मेरी फर्स्ट फिल्म थी.
Yeah.
और नॉर्थ ईस्ट राजस्थान, मतलब that's what I'm really grateful to my directors, that perhaps have little faith that perhaps I can pull this out.
But what do you think is it? Is it because of you're quick able to adapt to any sort of language or diction, या फिर आपका look जो है which is so pan Indian that
I think it's my face that's very pan Indian.
Yeah.
And
मतलब anyway exactly because आपको कोई बंगाली ब्राइड की तरह सजाया है. मैं इमेजिन कर रहा हूँ
प्रदीप सर ने सजाया था
तो
मुझे.
मैं वही बोल रहा हूँ कि it's so relatable
Yeah.
because the face is only so
Yeah.
compact that way. आप
Yeah.
उसको किसी भी तरीके से मोल्ड करो.
Yeah.
मोल्डिंग के बारे में आप
Yeah.
बोल रहे थे, right?
Yeah.
But if I talk about this movie कि girl from northeast and playing a Punjabi girl,
Yeah.
different cultures, different
Yeah.
way of upbringing. सबसे ज़्यादा challenging part क्या था in terms of getting to the skin of the character?
just to understand I had not lived in Punjab. I don't know that culture. Culture plays a very big thing in developing a character. Or neither I knew Punjabi music, which is also such an integral part. But I think what really helped me was just hanging out with these 4 boys that are so ठेठ Punjabi. Like my director was also ठेठ Punjabi. और जब आप, of course, my first shoot days, like the first 3-4 days, I was just completely lost. आप चाहे कितना भी prep करो या ना करो. और मैंने ज़्यादा prep नहीं करा था इस फिल्म के लिए, क्योंकि I was getting married then and I went straight to this set.
Oh, okay.
I didn't get too much time to spend with the cast or my director. I think एक दो बार रीडिंग करी थी हमने, बट डायरेक्टर वाज लाइक यार इस स्क्रिप्ट में जो लिखा है हम उसे ज़्यादा ही करेंगे. तो आई वाज लाइक ठीक है. तो द फर्स्ट 3-4 days आई वाज कम्प्लीटली लॉस्ट. मुझे समझ में ही नहीं आ रहा था. पर क्या होता है ना, सब दोस्त ही थे और जो आप ऑन स्क्रीन देख रहे हो वो ऑफ स्क्रीन भी कंटिन्यूसली चल रहा था. तो आफ्टर 4-5 days आई वाज लाइक
चलता है,
हो जाएगा.
How nice. You know, it's so important for people to create that sort of conducive
Environment,
environment
yeah.
because it, I think, brings the best out
Yeah.
of. Punjab is also very well known for the kind of food, lassi वगैरह वो सब try किया आपने वहाँ पे?
बिल्कुल, यस. तब विंटर्स में उनका क्या चल रहा था, सरसों का साग,
अरे वाह क्या बात है.
मक्के की रोटी अचार के साथ. तो
अमृतसरी ग्लास जो लस्सी होता है.
लस्सी होता है.
Yeah, it is huge यार.
It's
मतलब
huge
it's
and it
impossible for one
tastes so
person
tasty.
to.
पर जो खाना उनके ढाबे में मिलता है ना,
Oh, yeah.
वो नहीं
Unbeatable.
किसी रेस्टोरेंट में मिलेगा आपको.
Unbeatable, absolutely.
और चारों मेरे दोस्त खाते पीते रहते थे. तो वरुण लव्स
Yeah.
हिज फूड, ही लव्स हिज कुलचा. तो कभी कभार मैं भी खा लेती थी, जैसे कि घर से 1-2 बार खाना आया था. एंड आई थिंक दैट वाज द बेस्ट फूड दैट आई हैड. और उनकी कोई मासी या कोई रिलेटिव पटियाला के पिंड में रहती है. तो वहाँ से उन्होंने खाना भेजा था. एंड बिलीव यू मी, दैट वाज द बेस्ट फूड आई हैव हैड.
क्या बात है. But you've been foodie like बचपन से हमेशा से?
No, not really. My thing with food has been very off and on.
Okay.
You know, क्योंकि कभी कभी I have to lose weight to look a certain way
For a character.
for a character, and then I don't eat, you know, because I want to give it my best. And ये शो आएगी जल्दी, जब भी आए you will see like my full body is in a different zone. But जब वो शो खत्म होता है फिर मैं binge eating करती हूँ, which is the worst thing.
Yeah. Because you can't, because आपने खाया नहीं है वो
Yeah.
सब, so you feel like satiating your
Yeah.
quench in the best way possible,
Yeah.
जितना हो सके, right? So many things have evolved for you professionally, so many things have evolved for you personally. आगे जाके future generation को maybe in your family or whatever, अगर कोई आपको पूछे कि एक advice हमें दीजिए which is kind of very relevant for today's time, जो कि शायद आप जिस टाइम पे इन योर टीनेज पे थे उस टाइम पे रेलेवेंट नहीं था, बट बिकॉज द टाइम हैज आल्सो चेंज्ड. आप हम लोग जिस टाइम पे टीनेज पे थे कंपेयर टू द टीनेजर्स नाउ ऑलवेज ऑन देयर फोन, मे बी अ लॉट ऑफ लर्निंग इज आल्सो टेकिंग प्लेस. क्या एडवाइस दोगे उन लोगों को?
बट इट्स नॉट लाइक, आई वोंट से लाइक तब रेलेवेंट नहीं था, अब रेलेवेंट है. 2 things इज माय मोटो. यू हैव टू बी फोकस एंड हार्ड वर्क. These 2 things. मतलब आप फोन में रहो ना रहो, तब हम थे ना थे, पर फोकस एंड हार्ड वर्क विल टेक यू टू प्लेसेस.
क्या बात है. You know, so many things have been discussed, you know, right from your food preferences to fitness, family, professional life, difficulties, etc. Is there anything in your life which you perhaps feel कि यार I've had it easy? Because एक होता है acknowledgement कि मिलता नहीं है, बहुत मुश्किल से मिलता है, बट देयर आर ऑल्सो थिंग्स, शायद वो पिछले जन्म का अच्छा कर्म होगा जिसके वजह से वो फल आपको इस जन्म में. आई बिलीव इन दैट, यू नो, कोई ऐसा चीज़ जो कि शायद बहुत लोगों के लिए बहुत डिफिकल्ट होता है, बट यू हैव हैड इट इजी बाय गॉड्स ब्लेसिंग्स.
Nothing.
Nothing like that.
Nothing in my life. I have to work hard for it, but I'm fine with that.
Fair enough.
Maybe that's how my life is supposed to be.
And I think that's quite interesting because it always kind of keeps you on your toes,
Yeah.
and you're always
Yeah.
hustling and going that way, right? अगर मैं पूछूं वाइल्ड पंजाब के बारे में, there have been so many things which have been spoken, good reviews, verbal reviews, etc. But family की तरफ से क्या special reaction रहा है?
Families को you can't judge.
Because
Family loves you.
They're always biased.
Always biased. They love you.
Yeah. So that's all that they said. बेटी हम लोग ने देखा, एकदम कमाल है, धमाल है.
Yes, धमाल है. तुम बहुत सुंदर लग रही हो, तुमने बहुत अच्छा काम किया. बट माँ होती है.
तो you don't tell me कि यार थोड़ा असली फीडबैक भी दिया करो.
पर माँ होती है.
Mother's eyes.
Yeah.
Mother's eyes.
तो you don't question that.
You don't question that because that वो भी एक blessing ही है एक
Yeah,
तरीके का which is taking you
exactly.
forward.
Exactly.
Second last question अगर मैं पूछूं कि as an actor there are a lot of things which people feel कि यार हम लोग इसको अच्छे से play कर सकते
जी,
हैं.
जी.
अगर opportunity मिल गया तो मतलब literally लगा देंगे आग उसमें.
बिल्कुल.
कोई ऐसा type of character है which perhaps is very similar to you as a personality which you feel कि अगर ऐसा कुछ मुझे मिल गया ना आगे जाके मजा आ जाएगा.
नहीं, आई थिंक फुले वॉज क्वाइट अ चैलेंजिंग रोल, यू नो. फिर एक अमेजोन का शो भी जो आएगा वो भी काफ़ी चैलेंजिंग था. पर आई जस्ट फील लाइक क्या मैं धमाल कर सकती हूँ ऐसा मैं नहीं सोचती हूँ अबाउट माई करियर बिकॉज आई जस्ट टेक वन थिंग एट अ टाइम. बट आई वुड लव टू डू लाइक अ रिलेशनशिप ड्रामा or genre that I really love, like something like Revolutionary Road. That's something that I'm looking forward to and I hope the universe listens to it और मुझे कुछ ऐसा relationship drama वाली film दे.
Last question, ending on a positive note. Do you believe in manifestation?
I mean, if you see, I believe in hard work. I don't know, I keep saying this to you. So I just feel like when you're always doing one thing, that means you're manifesting it only, na?
Correct. It's like I might have a certain goal which I want in my life, but I'm working hard towards it. But I don't know if towards it, but result is not known.
Not known. But I can't think today.
So it's like controlling the result is manifestation in your mind.
Yes, perhaps. You know, working towards it is manifesting for me. Like 7 साल पहले मैं like I could have just sat and said कि मैंने manifest कर लिया एक दिन वाइल्ड पंजाब आएगी. वैसे नहीं होता. You have to work towards it.
Yeah, so basically it's dreaming is one parallel.
Yeah.
And living that dream with your eyes open and working hard is another parallel. फिर दोनों हाथ एक साथ आगे बढ़ता है. That is what it is. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
It's been an absolute pleasure. And guys, Netflix में already है Wild Punjab. The film is there. It's very entertaining. इतना ही entertaining है कि मैंने रात 2 बजे के बाद से देखना चालू किया और मैंने खत्म भी किया. And then I've come for this shoot today. But thank you so much. And यहाँ पे ये सिलसिला shoot का खत्म हुआ है. But then overall खत्म नहीं हुआ because we have a special gift over here आपके लिए. And हम लोग ये चाहते हैं कि this is kind of like works as a good luck and token of appreciation for you.
Oh
I hope you will love it.
I will love it.
Because we always honor and appreciate good and hard work, and that is exactly our motive.
Thank you. It means so much.
So
Sorry, I didn't get anything for you.
कोई बात नहीं. अगले
Next
वाले
time
में.
जब मिलेंगे.
अगले वाले में.
Done.
नया project आएगा उसमें.
Yes.
But guys, thank you so much. That was Patralekha over here with the one and only. With the one and only मैं तो नहीं actually मैं बोलना चाहता हूँ कि I am here with the one and only Patralekha. That is what it is. But guys, please Netflix में देखो and आगे जाके भी इनके जो भी projects आते हैं वो भी देखो. ढेर सारा प्यार इनको दो, राज सर को दो, सबको दो, इनके पूरे family को दो. Because I think they deserve every bit of it because hard work is actually the key. That's a wrap on the Sunny G show. This is your host Shubhajit. We'll see you with another very interesting episode very soon. Thank you so much. God bless. Take care. Stay safe and Jai Northeast.
Jai Northeast. Thank you.
Thank you.